This is a 300 watt street light or parking lot light. Has an adjustable mount, and it's fully waterproof. It's got really nice ribs on it on the back. Nice off black color, and it has a photoelectric cell. Turn it on. Really heavy duty hardware. It's designed obviously to be wired in, and I have it hooked on a plug down here so we can check it out. But all the hardware, the mount for the bracket, sturdy stainless hardware, even comes with stainless bolts to hook the mount onto a pole. This is really serious professional stuff. And I'm gonna fire this up, move the camera off just a little bit. And holy cow, this thing's bright. It says it's 300 watts, but it's every bit of that. This is hugely bright. And let me turn it off so we can function here. Woo! Yeah, up close, very, very bright. It's designed to be hung up in the air a ways and cast as light down. I have a woods behind my house, and planting a pole in the ground and have this aimed in that direction to light up the woods when I want to. This does not have a remote control or anything like that, just the light. So I'll put it on a switch and just have it when I want it. And if you need a super bright, super sturdy, no frills light, it does have the photoelectric cell on the back. But other than that, this would be the deal for you. And I think for what it is, it's priced very appropriately, and you're getting a lot for your money. And as I said before, this is professional grade construction and delivery. So great light. Give it a try, and I'll just turn it on again just for fun. Whoa! All right, I'll turn it off. Anyway, too bright to use up close like this. Cheers.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, look at that. There's no doubt that it is plenty bright. Wow, you do not want to stare at that. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. Okay, I got that. This one, you have to unpower it. Now, this, and that plugs in there, and this has wiring. So you hook it up to a source, I don't know. So maybe we'll do that too.
Seems pretty solid.
All right, we're out here at night and seeing what's up. It's not super dark outside yet, but you know, it's dark enough. Hit it, Dalton. You can see all the way over.
It lights up all the way to the chicken coop.
Wow, and that's just one.
Imagine the two that we're going to put on the dock.
You're going to be able to see the whole lake when we cut that on.
I've got a parking lot light here they sent to me to install so I can light up the outdoors like the sun. Here's what we got in the box. We got a mount, we got a light. Baby comes with a unique two-piece mounting system where you mount this mount here and then these little prongs in the light itself. Click right in there. You don't got to deal with trying to hold that whole thing up. I'm thinking we mount it like right there. I'm just going to use some lag bolts, mount her up right here. This is the photo sensor right here. If you leave that open, it'll come on day and night, you know, like a fancy light Take the supplied Allen bolts, tighten them down. Then you can adjust this joint to give you the angle of the dangle that you want. Loosen up the side screw here, and I want it to flood out a little, so that's what we got. Land our hot, neutral, and ground on here. It's now dark. This thing is literally daylight.
Okay.